Welcome, everyone. Today, we're about to reveal a secret that many heart surgeons have been keeping under wraps. If you ever wonder how to take care of your heart with something as simple as your daily diet, you're in the right place. Imagine feeling more energetic, enjoying better health, and knowing you're doing something amazing for your heart every single day. In this video, we'll uncover the top 8 foods that heart surgeons recommend for boosting your cardiac health. And yes, these are not just any foods. They're nature's very own heart helpers that can fit perfectly into your daily routine. Before we dive in, if you like finding simple tips for a healthier life, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting health secrets. Your support means a lot and helps us spread the knowledge that can transform lives. Today, we're going to break down the secrets behind these foods, starting from number 8 and working our way to the most important one at number 1. So, get comfortable, grab a pen and paper if you need to take notes, and let's unlock the secrets to a stronger, healthier heart together. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries may be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. These little berries are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your heart by reducing inflammation. When you eat blueberries, you give your body a boost that keeps your blood vessels clear and supports overall circulation. They are not only delicious, but also easy to add to your daily meals. Sprinkle them on your breakfast cereal, mix them into yogurt, or enjoy them as a quick, healthy snack. Many heart surgeons recommend blueberries because they contribute to a healthier heart while satisfying your taste buds. 7. Oats. Oats are a fantastic food for your heart thanks to their high fiber content. This fiber, especially the soluble type, plays a key role in lowering cholesterol levels. When you eat oats, they help remove excess cholesterol from your bloodstream, reducing the risk of artery blockages. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning not only keeps you full longer, but also gives you steady energy throughout the day. Oats can be easily incorporated into your diet in various ways. Think oatmeal, overnight oats, or even as an ingredient in baked goods. Their versatility and nutritional benefits make oats a staple for anyone looking to improve their heart health. 6. Almonds. Almonds are a crunchy and satisfying treat that also work wonders for your heart. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, almonds help maintain a balanced level of cholesterol and support proper blood pressure. They are an excellent source of vitamin E, a nutrient that helps protect the cells in your heart from damage. Enjoying a small handful of almonds as a snack or adding them to your meals can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your cardiac health. Heart surgeons often suggest almonds because they are a natural, tasty option that fits easily into a busy lifestyle, providing both energy and essential nutrients to keep your heart strong. 5. Spinach. Spinach is a true nutrient powerhouse for your heart. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this leafy green helps keep your blood vessels flexible and promotes a smooth flow of blood. Spinach is especially high in vitamin K, which is important for maintaining strong bones and proper blood clotting. It also provides vitamins A and C, which support overall immunity and cellular health. Whether you add it fresh to a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or lightly steam it as a side dish, spinach is easy to work into your daily meals. Heart surgeons appreciate spinach because its natural compounds help reduce inflammation and support healthy blood circulation, making it a simple and effective way to care for your heart. 4. Salmon. Salmon is celebrated for its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining heart health. These healthy fats work to lower inflammation in your body and help keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. Eating salmon regularly may also help reduce levels of bad cholesterol while boosting good cholesterol, contributing to clearer arteries and a lower risk of heart disease. Besides being heart-friendly, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamin D, and selenium, nutrients that further enhance its health benefits. Whether grilled, baked, or added to a salad, salmon is a delicious and versatile option that many heart surgeons recommend for a balanced, heart-healthy diet. 3. Avocado. Avocado is a creamy and versatile fruit that packs a punch when it comes to heart health. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados help balance cholesterol levels by raising good cholesterol, HDL, and lowering bad cholesterol, LDL. They're also a great source of potassium, a mineral that is vital for regulating blood pressure and ensuring smooth heart function. Additionally, avocados provide a good amount of fiber, which can aid in digestion and contribute to overall weight management, another key factor in maintaining a healthy heart. You can enjoy avocado in many ways. Spread on toast, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to your salads for a creamy texture and delicious taste. This simple yet nutrient-dense fruit is a favorite among heart surgeons who recommend it as part of a balanced diet to support a strong and healthy heart. 2. Garlic. Garlic is much more than a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a true heart helper. This humble ingredient is packed with natural compounds that support your heart in many ways. Garlic is known for its ability to help reduce blood pressure and improve overall blood flow. It contains a special compound called allicin, which is believed to play a key role in protecting your heart by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation in your blood vessels. Many heart surgeons recommend adding garlic to your diet because of its natural power to keep your heart strong and healthy. Whether you use it raw, cooked, or as a supplement, garlic is a simple way to boost your heart health. Just a few cloves a day can make a big difference. Its unique taste not only enhances your dishes, but also brings significant health benefits that are hard to ignore. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is often called liquid gold for a good reason. It is widely celebrated for its amazing benefits for heart health. Rich in healthy fats, olive oil helps to lower bad cholesterol levels while boosting the good cholesterol in your body. This simple oil is a key part of the Mediterranean diet, which has long been linked to lower risks of heart disease. Olive oil works by reducing inflammation in the body and keeping your blood vessels flexible, which allows for better blood circulation. Many heart surgeons consider it the most important food for a healthy heart. Its smooth, rich flavor makes it perfect for dressing salads, cooking vegetables, or simply drizzling over your favorite dishes. By replacing other fats with olive oil in your diet, you give your heart a natural boost, keeping it strong and efficient for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover nature's best heart helpers. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 8 incredible foods that heart surgeons swear by to boost cardiac health. By incorporating these simple and delicious ingredients into your daily routine, you're taking an important step toward a healthier, happier heart. Remember, a small change in your diet can make a big difference in your overall well-being. If you found these tips useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment sharing your favorite heart-friendly food, and subscribe for more easy and effective health advice. Your support inspires us to keep bringing you the best tips for a better life. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into natural ways to enhance your health. Until then, take care of yourself, keep that heart happy, and enjoy a healthier lifestyle every day. Thanks for watching.